So I'm off to the small town of Fruitland, Idaho to try out a new IV place called IV-licious. I'm going to just have enough time to do a B12 shot. So that'll hopefully help me get through this fall season. I've got more planting to do, more landscaping, and going to work. So I kind of need that little boost right now. After I go to IV, I won a coffee on a giveaway at Jack Henry's. They just rebuilt their whole new place in Fruitland, Idaho, and it is absolutely gorgeous. So there's IV-licious right there, and Jack Henry's coffee, yum. I picked up avocado toast, delicious, and got a salad to go. Good Friday morning. It's been a busy morning. I had an appointment for B12 shots and another one. I can't remember. Anyway, a new IV drip place here locally, and they do little booster shots. So that's cool. And then previously I had won a coffee. We have a Jack Henry's Roasters, and they just built a new building. It's gorgeous. Picked up my coffee, got a salad, and got breakfast. Sourdough toast with avocado, egg, bacon, and arugula. Amazing. So I also went to Home Depot, pick up irrigation for several new projects I'm doing. It is October, but I still have a lot of planting to do. So with that being said, I need to get started because it is a gorgeous day. It's supposed to be like 79 today. The bugs are still around. It's not going to freeze quite yet. So, oh, and my wonderful new sweatshirt from Garden Answer. Check it out. Very comfortable. I do cut the neck because it drives me nuts. But perfect sweatshirt for a gardener. So, I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll keep you up to date on all the planting and landscaping I'm doing. Bye! It cut me off before I could show you my sweatshirt from GardenAnswerStore.com. It's very appropriate for gardeners that have a plant problem, which there is no cure for. Take care.